What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we are doing a new project. It's called the Knock Lock Project. Project 12. Alright. So your own secret knocking mechanism in this project. Piezo buzzer, which we tried to use one, but it didn't work too well. Let's just go here. Project description, a piezo is used for playing back sounds. Yeah, it's a little buzzer. You can calculate, I might have it here. Piezo buzzer. Has a little, yeah, there it is. It has a little circle in the middle. That's where the sound comes out from. And yeah, it makes one beat. You can change the pitch of the beat. Not the beat, but the sound. So we have one push button. I'm not gonna build it just yet, but just to know, let's see, one push button. There it is. One piezo. There it is. What else? 3 LEDs. What else? 3 220 ohm resistors. I'm assuming those are for the LEDs. They could be stronger though. I know on my end for my LEDs, I'm gonna need them a little bit stronger. I think I have 300s. Actually, never mind. I think it was 10K. I don't think I need 10K. It's so too strong. It'll be dim. But the LEDs with the 220 ohm resistor, they're still really strong. So I'm thinking like, I don't know if I have like 500 or something like that, or 1K even, maybe 110K. That's probably for the. Oh no, it's for the button. 10K. What is this? A million? 1M? Yeah. 2 million. It on the blue resistors that I have, it doesn't appear green. It appears more like a highlighted. It's like a highlighted green, highlighted yellow. Then we have a servo motor. Wait, which one? Which one was the servo motor? This one. All right. Wait, servo motor. Oh, that's what I didn't have on the capacitor. 100 UF capacitor. Let me see what I have. I think I do. I might have a capacitor. A capacitor? No, I don't. I don't have a capacitor. Why would they send me a servo though? I can't use a servo. In both projects already that I've used a servo, they use a capacitor. I need a capacitor. The last time I checked, it was like, I don't know, $5 for one of them. And if you connect it the wrong way, you're done. I think it said something about it blowing up or something. Like, I don't know if that's true. I forgot what website I was reading. I just googled it. Sometimes I check if it's legit. Sometimes I don't. Like if it's the Arduino website, obviously it's legit. But if it's like something else, then it's not. So, all right. So here we have the circuit diagram. This is the buzzer. Servo, yeah, the buzzer. It looks like a speaker. A button, LEDs. Is that light? The arrows, light emitting. LEDs. What is that? It's not another button, is it? Is that a resistor? Oh no! I think that's the capacitor. Yeah, I think that's the capacitor. At least this capacitor, at least it tells you what type of capacitor it is. The other one, it just said capacitor, but this one tells you it's 100 UF. So I might order one. And actually, you know what? Yesterday I received this here. See it a little bit. It's for the battery. So you can connect the battery directly onto the breadboard. This was because I needed 2 batteries, so the breadboard is split down the middle, right? You would need a battery on this side and then a battery on this side. And so, yeah. I think I tried it. I tried to connect so the 5 volt and the ground here. Then I tried to connect a 3 volt and another ground over here to see if it could like split the power. I think it worked. So it's here. It's like it was only like $4 for like 10 of them, 12 of them. Doesn't look like 12 of them. It says 12. Hold on. I don't know. It's a lot of them. It's a lot of them though. And we move. So the diagram, we already looked at that. The writing a function. Okay, we'll look at that later. Let's go ahead and set up the circuit. Alright, let's see what we got here once it loads. Alright, so as per usual, connector powers is still 5 volts, yeah. I think like the past 8 projects have been 5 volts. I don't remember having a 3 volt project. There it is. 5 volts, ground. Okay, now we're gonna do a button on this side. First off, power to power, and then a 10. That's a 10K capacitor, I think. Power to power. 10K capacitor. Oh no, not capacitor. Resistor. And I believe it goes to ground. Let's see. Yeah, it's a ground. Let me double check that it's a 10K. Yeah, it's a 10K. And then we're gonna do a button, and then left to power, right to 2. Let's see if I can remember. Button, left to power, left to 2, and it's green. Let me see if it was, so I got it right. Alright, cool. Next, the piezo. The piezo. Okay, so the piezo, let's actually do these connections first. So we have 2 to ground. You know what? That's weird. So in this case, you don't need an extra battery, huh? Since this is being connected back over here. See, that's what I don't understand. Like, this is me being a newbie. Like, if I knew how this worked, then I would know how to change stuff up. But maybe this avoids me needing an extra battery. These connections here. That's pretty cool. So like, it just makes it connected, right? And I could just start connecting things here. But like I said, I don't really know how these diagrams work. So yeah, maybe these are the 2 connections that I need, and I could avoid using 2 batteries. Okay, let's do ground to ground, I believe it was. Yeah, ground to ground, then we're gonna do ground to I. Ground to I. And then we have a capacitor. I keep saying capacitor, but I think it was a 1M, the capital M. What's the other one? Is it milli? I think it's a milli. The smaller one. Smaller M. It might be milli. And that one is going to be turned. So that one will be somewhere like right here, I think. And then we'll have the piezo, and then the right of the piezo will go to power. Right of the piezo will go to power. Is it a red or? Yeah, it's a red. And we'll leave it at that. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.